Hello students, welcome to the computer class. After a long time we are going to start now our lesson number 3, that is storage. Storage of a data, programs and information is one of the most important functions of a computer. As we know, a computer is an electronics device that processes the raw data with the help of program, and it produces meaningful information, and these functions are performed in the cycle of IPO. It means input, processing and output. As you can see in the diagram, your input as well as output both stored in the computer by the storage unit. As you already know, a computer can store a large amount of data in a memory. All the programs and the data are stored in the computer memory. There are the two kinds of the memory: computer memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, it is also known as the main memory, essential for the computer to operate. Primary memory stores the data and commands to be used by the CPU, stores the basic system settings, and as you know, primary memory is divided into two types: RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory, whereas ROM stands for read only memory. RAM, the full form of RAM is random access memory. Information is stored in the RAM in the form of the electrical pulses. Hence, anything stored in the RAM will remain stored there only as long as the electric power is supplied to computer. If there is an interruption in the power supply, or if you switch off the computer, you will lose all the information stored in the RAM. Hence, the RAM of the computer is a temporary memory or a volatile memory. RAM, the information stored using the bits. A bit is a binary digit which can be either 0 or 1. A group of the 8-bit is called byte. What these bits and bytes? We know that computer understands machine language, that's 0 and 1. Here 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. Bit stands for binary digits, means 0 and 1. Here you can see in 1 byte 8 bits are there. That's in the form of zeros and 1. Binary 0 and 1 represent two stages: off or on, where 0 is off, 1 is on. Nibble is a half a byte. 4 bit is equal to 1 nibble. A byte equal to 8 bits. A kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes. Kilobyte is also known as KB. 1 megabyte. Megabyte MB. 1 MB equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 GB means gigabyte. 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. 1 terabyte means 1 TB equal to 1024 GB. So all these are the storage units of computer. ROM. The long form of the ROM is read only memory. All the programs and the software that helps to run a computer are stored in ROM. Information stored in the ROM can only be read. It can be changed, or it is not lost even when you switch off the computer. Hence, the ROM of the computer is a permanent memory or a non-volatile memory. Secondary storage or the secondary memory. The secondary memory of the computer is also known as external memory, auxiliary memory. As you know, RAM is a temporary memory which is lost when you switch off the computer. Now, there may be some information that you need to store permanently. Such information can be stored in the secondary memory. Information stored in the secondary memory can be erased, or some new information can be overwritten on it. hard disk, CD, DVD, and USB flash drive. It means pen drive. These are the examples of the secondary memory. We'll see the hard disk in detail. Hard disk. The hard disk is the small magnetic disk enclosed in the sealed box called a hard drive. The hard drive is inside the CPU box and a computer can read from or write on the hard disk. The hard disk stores all the information on the magnetic area, and so information stored in the hard disk will not be erased even if there is an interruption in the power supply or if the computer is switched off. Hence, the hard disk is a permanent storage device. A hard disk is much faster than the other storage devices and it is a huge in storage capacity. Next storage device is CD. CD, compact disc. The CD is a small disc which is inserted into the optical drive, means CD-ROM drive. The optical drive is fixed in the CPU box. The computer can read and write CD using the optical drive. The CD is a permanent storage device. Any information stored in the CD can never be erased. The CD is a removable, but it cannot store more data than the hard disk. A CD is slower than the hard disk. Digital versatile disk or digital video disk. A DVD has high storage capacity with the good quality. Probably CD and DVD looks same. What is the difference between the CD and DVD? A DVD can store more data than CD. Whereas you can see Blu-ray disc, it stores more data than CD and DVD. USB flash drive. It means your pen drives. Today, a USB flash drive is very popular storage device because it's a portable. A USB flash drive is also removable and rewritable. It is much smaller than the CD and DVD, but much faster and can store more data than CD and DVD. So, these all are the secondary storage devices.